Hello everybody, and of course, welcome sa aking channel. I am Sasuka and this is for Sasuka Spotted and Outdoor Therapy. So for today's video guys, pag-uusapan natin ay tungkol sa self-discovery and following your dreams. Right? Sa discussions natin sa video ito ay nahati sa dalawa. So yung una is yung reasons why self-discovery is important. And yung pangalawa is self-discovery. So, magkakaroon tayo ng a little activity for self-discovery. Ito yung kilala nyo pa yung mga sarili ninyo. Alright? So, bago natin talakayin, o bago tayo pupunta sa activity na kung paano ninyo ma-discover palalo yung mga sarili ninyo, alamin muna natin yung reasons why self-discovery is important. So, ito yung mga rason kung bakit yung self-discovery ay mahalaga. So, first, following your dreams can help you find more meaning in life. So, mas magkakaroon kayo ng meaning sa buhay ninyo. Mas alam nyo kung saan kayo patutungo. Kung na-discover nyo ang sarili ninyo. Okay? So, people who refuse to follow their dreams for fear of what others think are missing out on life. Research has clearly shown that people are far more likely to regret what they didn't do than what they did. Ayan. So, yung pangalawang rason bakit yung self-discovery ay mahalaga, self-discovery can help you develop a sense of purpose, which can provide motivation and direction in your life. So, ito na nga, mas magkakaroon kayo ng purpose sa buhay niyo. Mas malalaman niyo kung ano ba talaga ang rason, bakit kayo nandito, ano yung purpose niyo. At ito rin yung magsilbing motivation para ma-boost yung energy ninyo at magkaroon kayo ng direction sa buhay. Ayan. At yung pangatlo, it can also enhance your overall well-being by helping you build self-help, self-knowledge, and self-discovery. Ayan. At yung pang-apat, learning to interpret our dreams is a great tool for self-help, self-knowledge, and self-discovery. Ayan. So, yan yung apat na rason bakit mahalaga yung self-discovery. So, ito guys ay binasa ko lang din sa mga articles, books, at websites na nabasa ko. So, natulungan natulungan ako para malaman kung ano talaga yung rason bakit mahalaga yung kilala natin yung ating mga sarili. At naisipan kong i-share sa inyo para naman magkaroon ka ng kaalaman or you would have your information towards the reasons of why it's so important to have this self-discovery. Ayan. So, ayan guys, yung mga rason. At punta naman tayo sa next activity natin or next discussion natin, which is self-discovery. Ayan. So, dito guys, magkakaroon tayo ng a little activity. So, kung kayo ay ready, well, simulan na natin yung short activity natin. So, kailangan nyo lang dito ng papel at ballpen. Alright. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Okay. So, first of all, I want you to visualize your ideal self. So, tanungin natin ang mga sarili natin na, what do I want from life? Where do I see myself in 5 years? Alright? So, syempre, iba-iba tayong mga sagot, diba? So, yung iba, siguro, nakikita ninyo yung sarili ninyo 5 years from now, you're relaxing in a beach, or you would be the owner of a beach resort. Why not, di ba? Alright. Next is, siguro yung iba naman, isasagot ninyo, magkakaroon ako ng sarili kong company. Why not? Pwede naman. And next is, yung iba naman isasagot ninyo, I would become a successful influencer. Maganda yan. Alright, so ikaw, ano yung sagot mo? Just leave it in the comment box below para malaman naman natin kung ano yung mga sagot ninyo sa where do you see yourself in 5 years. Ayan, so yan yung first na gagawin ninyo towards self-discovery. Just visualize your ideal self. Okay, ano yung susunod? Susunod is explore your passions. So, tanungin nyo lang din yung mga sarili ninyo. What you spend your free time doing on a day-to-day basis. So, isulat nyo lang din yung mga sagot ninyo sa papel. Or yung iba sa inyo, pwede nyo rin naman isulat sa comment box para mabasa ko at mabasa rin ng ating mga barkada or mga members sa ating channel. Alright, so yung iba naman isasagot siguro filming, di ba? Yung iba is siguro traveling. Yun yung ginagawa natin sa mga free time natin. At yung iba naman gardening. So, especially yung iba na plantita, plantitos. So, I'm sure gardening yung ginagawa sa free time. Or yung iba naman is long drive sa countryside or just simply walking tour around the city. Ayan. So, iba-iba tayong mga sagot. And again, you can write it down on your paper. Okay, next. Look at your skills. Ayan. So, list all your skills no matter how big or small they are. So, let's say, for example, kung skill niyo sa communication, isulat nyo lang. Kahit maliit lang to na skill or malaki, isulat nyo lang. Kasi ito yung daan para ma-discover niyo ang inyong mga sarili. Okay? So, ayan. So, yung iba naman, yung skills, yung, like what I've said, communication skill, ano pa ba? Siguro sa sports, meron kayong skills sa ganyan. So, isulat nyo lang din. Alright. So, next, find your value. So, reflect on what you admire the most about yourself. Huwag naman tayo masyadong harsh sa sarili natin. I-appreciate natin yung sarili natin. Tingnan nyo kung ano yung mga magagandang katangian sa sarili ninyo. And then, list down nyo lang kung kayo ba ay wise, ano pa ba, marunong sa mathematics, isulat nyo lang din para ma-discover ninyo yung mga sarili ninyo. And then, number 5, ask questions. This can help you gain clarity and insights into your inner self. The next, learn. Of course, this is so important. Learning new things can help you grow and develop as a person. So, let's say kapag nag-learn ka ng new things, so na-discover niyo na, kaya ko pala ito. Let's say, for example, nag-climb kayo ng mountain. Sa una, akala niyo hindi niyo kaya. Yung strength niyo hindi niyo kaya. Pero pag nagawa niyo ito, malaman niyo, kaya ko pala. So, ayan. Learn something new. Next, journal. So, write down your experiences, changes, and thoughts can help you gain perspective and clarity. So, isulat nyo lang din. Kung gusto nyo yung parang diary form, why not? Or, kung gusto niyo yung parang bullet form, why not? Kasi, yung journaling, mahalaga ito kasi dito natin gain yung perspective and clarity kung ano talaga yung gusto natin sa buhay or ano yung mga things na nagawa natin before, ano yung gusto natin gawin in the future. And 8, reach out. So consider talking with a life coach or therapist for a safe space to pursue self-discovery. Minsan kailangan naman natin kausapin yung mga family natin, yung mga friends natin. So, ingat lang kung sino yung approach ninyo. Tingnan nyo na lang din kung totoong friends ba ito or yung nagmamalasakit sa inyo para naman masabi nila kung ano talaga yung katotohanan about you. Alright. So, yes, yun lang ang video presentation natin for today. Of course, in conclusion, I would like to say that self-discovery and following your dreams can help you find more meaning in life, develop a sense of purpose, and improve your overall well-being. So, bago ako mag-end ng ating video, well, I would like to share with you guys, it's never too late to start following your dreams and discovering your true self. Again, this is Sasuka, not an expert, but just want to share.